This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Broya Bas Chananya, Meseches Demai, Perek Vav, Mishna Vav. Our Mishnah talks about a person selling olives. And we have an argument over here. Beis Shammai Eimrim, Beis Shammai say, Lo Yimker Adam Ezesav Elo L'chaver. A person should only sell their olives to someone who is trusted for Tumah and Taira. And the reason is because even though when the person sells the olives, they're not yet mukhshir l'kabel tumah, because they did not become wet with one of the 7 liquids that make them mukhshir l'kabel tumah. However, most people use the olives to make olive oil, and once the person puts the olives together and they are pressed together, then they start releasing some of the liquid and they become mukhshir l'kabel tumah. And so therefore you could only sell it to someone who is trusted for matters of tumah and taira. Beis Hillel say af l'ma'aser. You could even sell them to someone who is not trusted for tumah and taira, and is only trusted for separating trumas and maasros. Beis Hillel say this because not every person, even though most people, but not every person, will use the olives for olive oil, and therefore, since some people will just eat the olives and they will never come to press them, so maybe they'll never become mukhshir l'kabel tumah. However, they can only be sold to someone who's trusted in trumas and maasros, because a person can't sell demai to an amei oretz. And the Mishnah concludes that nevertheless, utsnu'ei beis Hillel hayunoyagim kedivrei beis Shammai. The modest ones of beis Hillel, meaning those who were extra careful with mitzvahs, they would conduct themselves like beis Shammai and only sell olives to a person who is trusted not just to separate trumas and maasros, but also who is trusted for matters of tumah and taira.